months of the year? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Let's discuss some quiz questions based on the months of the year. Which month ends the year? And your options are October, November, December, or January. And it's December. December month ends the year. How many months are there in a year? And your options are 11, 12, 10, or 13. And it's 12. There are 12 months in a year. Christmas is celebrated in which month? And your options are November, October, January, or December. And it's December. We celebrate Christmas in the month of December. Which month comes before October? And your options are July, August, September, or November. And it's September. September month comes before October. Which of these is a month? And your options are morning, holiday, Sunday, or April. And it's April. April is a month. Which month is the first month of the year? And your options are January, March, December, or February. And it's January. January is the first month of the year. Which month comes after September? And your options are November, October, July, or August. And it's October. October month comes after September. Name the month with the fewest days. And your options are April, January, February, or March. And it's February. February is the month having the fewest days. Republic Day is celebrated in which month? And your options are March, January, February, or April. And it's January. We celebrate Republic Day in the month of January. Which month is between March and May? And your options are June, February, April, or July. And it's April. April comes in between March and May. Which of these is a summer month? And your options are November, December, January, or April. And it's April. April is a summer month. Which group has only months with 30 days? And your options are April, June, September, January, March, May, February, July, August, or March, May, or October. And it's April, June, September. These are the 3 months having only 30 days. We celebrate New Year in which month? And your options are February, March, January, or December. And it's January. We celebrate New Year in the month of January. Which month comes after June? And it's July. Independence Day is celebrated in which month? And we celebrate Independence Day in the month of August. Which month comes 2 months after January? And your options are February, April, May, or March. And it's March. March comes 2 months after January. Which group has only months with 31 days? And your options are April, June, September, June, July, September, January, March, May, or February, April, June. And it's January, March, May. These are the 3 months having 31 days. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated in which month? And your options are November, October, August, or September. And it's October. We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti in the month of October. If today is March, which month will come next? And your options are May, June, February, or April. And it's April. April will come after March. Which month comes 2 months before December? And your options are September, October, August, or November. And it's October. October comes 2 months before December. Thank you.